Welcome to Mount Anggas in Gitagum, Misamez, Oriental. Woo! So we are here in Mount Anggas that was located in Gitagum, Misamez, Oriental. So we hiked this for at least 3 hours. We started like 10 and it's it's 2 hours only because we are used to like hike or climbing mountains. So we start like 10 a.m. and we got here at the top of the mountain at 12 p.m. So it was expected. The scenery was so perfect.
It's a very challenge.
Yeah, and also during our hiking to going to this top of where is this sign is found, which was made bago pa lang siya 2025.
Apa man dito?
Yes,
May
and
9, 2025.
yes, May 9, 2025. This
Fireflies.
this kanang name of the mountain was been made. So we are here at the top of the Mount Anggas, and now I will show you the best view of the Mount Anggas. Okay, at the back of me. This is one of the most challenging hikes we've been through. So I am with my father, the Griggy Mix TV, and to my sister was going there. Okay, and also it was so hot in here because we are here at 12 noon. Okay. Hello guys! So, nahuman na gyud ang among hiking no sa Mount Anggas. So, nag-start day mi sa balay, Mulugan, El Salvador, alas 7 sa buntag gyud mi nihawa. So, mga 7:30 naplatan mi ligid. So, sad to say, naghuwat mi dito, kon pod, dugay-dugay pod.
Mga 30 minutes.
So mga alas 9 pag yun, naplatan na sa migbalik. So wala mi choice kundi mupalit na jud og laing sa to pa? Interior. Mi diri jud sa among gilingkuran karon. Sa starting point sa Mount Anggas kay alas 10, 9?
Alas 10.
Alas 10, 9 sa buntag. Then naabot mi sa kanang kinatumyan jud sa Mount Anggas katong naay pangalan niya.
Point yun,
Alas 12.
Uno.
Alas 12 gyud sakto gyud siya. So, ingon ang akong classmate guys nga imo daw katkaton ang Mount Anggas 3 hours gyud daw siya from the starting point. But 2 hours na mo gikatkat, alas 10, alas 11, alas 12. Dayon pag abot na mo dito na mahuway mig kadiyot.
1 hour.
Unsa na orasa pa?
Alas 2.
Nanaog sa 150.
Nanaog sa 1:15. 1:15.
1:15.
1:15 PM mi nagnaog. So kadiyot ra mi dito no. Dito mi naniud to. So 1:15 ni naog na mi, then naami karon diri alas 2. So